Ethereum is testing a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. The Pingu Charts Telegram is growing exponentially. We have been posting our trades in here, so for those of you that are interested in following along, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Ladies and gentlemen, what an explosive move on Ethereum we had yesterday. Now, for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, you guys already know we made an insane profit as soon as we broke above this level here at 1575. The reason why this level, of course, was very important on the 4-hour time frames is you can see the fact that we had multiple retests of resistance within this zone and then a strong push above. I mentioned the fact that if we can somehow break above this level, not only would we complete a V-shaped formation, but as well as the fact that we could be looking for an explosive move because of the fact this area acts as a very strong resistance point. You can see as soon as Ethereum broke above that 1590 level, we had a massive short squeeze opportunity going all the way up to 1658. Now, for those of you that have been following my videos, you guys already knew that this scenario was going to happen because of the fact I mentioned to you guys, looking at previous price analysis, we have seen the same sort of format. You can see that Ethereum broke above after this 1278 bottom. We had a massive run up hitting all the way up to around our 1518 level. Then we found some support, and then we had that continuation retest. A lot of traders were shorting Ethereum on that blue line, and this is exactly why I mentioned to you guys what we wait for is a clean confirmation followed by an area of retest as resistance. Since we never really saw that area of resistance being tested and we actually managed to hold support, as well as the fact you can see we had 3 touches on the support line, this was an easy long position. Of course, for those of you that are a little bit more conservative, you could have waited to break above these exponential moving averages and then look for a long position, or for those of you that were aggressive, as soon as we saw this move towards the exponential moving averages, that was your indicator to actually start looking for those positions. As of right now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering what's the next level or the next case for Ethereum. Well, looking at analysis right now in terms of the 4-hour time frames, the next resistance point is going to be at 1787. If we somehow manage to break above this key resistance level, which is a very large resistance on Ethereum, we could be looking for an explosive move. But ladies and gentlemen, we have to keep in mind that as of right now, this move set from the W formation is successfully done. This is, of course, extremely risky to be looking for long positions because not only are we in extreme overbought conditions as well, but because of the fact that we could be looking for a ton of profit taking at this level. Of course, the 1787 level could be next, but before we actually hit that level, I wouldn't be surprised to see a massive move to the downside all the way down to around the $1,400 mark, exactly what we saw over here. You can see we had this massive run up, retest this opportunity down to 1421, and then the continuation. So ideally what we're looking for is something like this before we see that massive breakout opportunity. This is what we call a hated bearish rally. I've mentioned this, or bullish rally. I've mentioned this to you guys many times, of course, the fact that there are so many people that are saying that the bottom was in, and blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, we only look at what the chart is telling us. And right now, the chart was telling us the fact that Ethereum was in extreme oversold conditions. After the FTX drama right over here, we actually managed to break almost every major support line with no sort of relief. This is why I mentioned I would not be surprised to see a massive short squeeze opportunity, catch all the bulls going towards the upside, and then a massive continuation right back down into our targets here at $1,000 and $700. Now, of course, I'd mentioned that if we were somehow break above the 1787 level, use it as support, then we could be looking for a bullish continuation. The reason why is that 1787 level, of course, is extremely important. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that right now Ethereum is showing signs of exhaustion. We are, of course, getting very close to this resistance level, as well as the fact that we are using the exponential moving averages as support. You guys already know 9 out of 10 times we do see a breakout, but we have to keep in mind that this is weekend volume. On weekend volume, we don't really tend to see that much manipulation, of course, as well as the fact that there is a lack of liquidity. So please keep this in mind as you guys are trading. In terms of the 1 hour though, we do have a beautiful bar formation that looks like it could be completed. And of course, if that were to happen, then our take profit level will be around the 1546. Ladies and gentlemen, pay very close attention to Monday morning and see how that level plays out. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.